Whew, big. Wow. Whoa. All right, let's go. Yo guys, quick view of my WRX 2018. Then the base one. Whew. There's rocket over there, bruh. Whew. Let's go. Whew. Yo, what's up guys? Good morning. Welcome back to Chooze Vlogs. And today's vlog is gonna be different because this vlog is gonna be for my Subi fans out there. So I got this mail yesterday. This one, bruh, and I just want to show you guys. By the way, this one is a shift knob from Grimy Speed, I think. Yeah, Grimy Speed. This one is the stainless steel. There you go, guys. Woo! So I'm gonna do. It's not even open yet. I'll open it right now. So in English ko, guys, para maintindihan ng iba. Let's see. Let's open it. I thought it's a big one or something. Whoa, dude! Came with a pocket bag. I know. And then here you go, guys. The stainless steel one, the Grimy Speed. The Grimy Speed. There you go. I guess this one is like 2 pounds, like almost 2 pounds. So it's good for the, the Subaru one. Let's see. I'll try it out, man. If you guys can see it on my GoPro. Let's take it out right now. Easy. Like that, man. Oh, by the way, guys, after I get out of my work, I'm going to AutoZone. I'm gonna look for the spray paint. Wanna paint it black. So yeah, after work, see how it looks. Damn, bro. Let's see. And it feels so good, man. I don't know. I hope you can see it. There you go, guys. Oh, dude. Let's see. Damn, dude. It feels so good. Damn. Oh, by the way, I got this from Amazon for only $62, I think. Yeah, and I think that's a good price though. It's a good price for this stainless steel and 2 pounds weight of 2 pounds. Why not? Paint it black though. I don't know if I like the color. I don't know, let's see. Damn, it looks so good though. I thought it's gonna be like fat one, man. The wide one. Oh yeah, it's alright. Yo, what's up, guys? So I guess we're not gonna paint it tonight. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I'm Chooze Vlogs, and yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Yeah, by the way, I'm gonna keep doing auto vlog. I call this auto vlog, guys, because I do a lot of vlog on my channel though. It's like all mixed up. So Yeah, it's just whatever. Yeah, by the way, I'm Filipino, so I speak Tagalog, like all, like most of my vlog. By the way, if you guys want to see like some photos of my car, just follow me on Instagram. It's at Raf Bautista Jr. It's gonna be on screen. Yeah, so if you want to see my work, I'm a photographer and videographer too. So if you want to see my work, follow Chooze One.